Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create an ideal character persona to learn what products will sell on your dropshipping store. Now, in multiple of my stores, this is what is integral to me seeing success, because it allows me to really understand what my customers want from Depop, or what they want from the clothes. It helps me to really understand the clothes that they are looking for, and essentially build an ideal persona of the person that I'm selling to, so that I can really focus and scale on the products that are already working. So let me show you an example. If we've got one person here that is buying a lot of products, or is interested or liking a lot of products, and they happen to be these weird, this is meant to be a skirt, Goth products, right? They're these weird products, they're getting so much likes, these are meant to be likes, and you see that these are the products that are getting attention. And then suddenly, out of nowhere, you've also listed a hat, a Goth hat, and that also gets a lot of attention from this same person. You can safely assume that this person is either a Goth or someone who is very interested in that type of clothing. Now, if these products somehow turn out to be your highest liked products, then I think that would be a surefire sign for you to lean into these products and list more of them. So the second that you start seeing in waves, because this will happen, certain products of your Depop store getting a lot of traction, and it will always be a certain style of products, and there will always be similarities between either the style or genre, you need to lean into that. So once you get a bunch of these Goth products that are getting attention, you need to start selling, for example, shoes, Goth shoes, and start selling a bunch more products. Lean into this, because what this will do is it will increase your standing in Depop's algorithm, and you will be pushed out more to these Goth people. You will start getting more and more likes, because you're leaning into what Depop already knows you're good at. And Depop knows you're good at this because it's pushing you out. As you can see, these are getting a lot of likes. You post the shoe, as soon as you post the shoe, you get 4 or 5 likes instantly, and it may even sell within the first hour of you listing it. And then once that happens, your listing should take off, and you should see sort of exponential growth like this in terms of your sales, if you sort of lean into the products that are working. Now, this is a good strategy, because it's better than just posting random products and hoping that maybe someone will catch on to this style and someone will catch on to that style. So if you're posting like a t-shirt here, next day you're posting I don't know, sunglasses, horrendous drawing, but next day you're posting sunglasses, different styles, and there's not really much coherency. Now, what I mean by that is you should never post one singular product with its unique style on its own. You should always try to post multiple products with the same style. So say one day you're posting Goth products like this, one day you're posting summer wear Y2K products. That should work, because if you're posting in a bunch and they all have the same style, they could all hit the algorithm together and get you sales. But if you're just posting products that are random here and there, you're not going to see any sales. And what this will do over time is it will compound your store like this exponential curve right here, and you will just get sales upon sales. In my first week of doing dropshipping on one of my worst stores, I got 10 sales. But I knew that would compound, because all those 10 sales were all in the same niche of product. So I leaned into that product, and I managed to scale that store to 25 sales within the next 3 days after I got that first week of 10 sales. And then after that, I was consistently hitting around 100 sales per week. Now, this is obviously pretty hard to do with low levels of experience. So if you want to learn how to do this, and with pretty much guaranteed success, join the school community in the description of this video. I currently have a handful of students in there that are learning how to scale their first stores to 3K per month. And if you don't join now, the price will increase by a very hefty amount within the next couple of weeks, if not days, and you will miss out. So don't be afraid to actually spend money to make money for once in your life, and I'll see you in there. And if I don't see you in there, then I guess you can just keep on losing.